As your scene becomes more complex, there's a couple of tools that are really useful to make the scene easier to work with. One of them is the type filtering window. As you can see here, this is the same house as we used previously. But I've added a couple of joints and lights and a couple of ropes and stuff in the scene. And now when I'm working with the scene, maybe I want to select this wall piece and I click here and oops, I got that joint over there. Or I click, oops, I got that rope over there. And then those can be turned off in the type filtering, making it easier to work with the scene. Another very useful function is the search window. So let's say I want to find all the ropes in the scene. Then up here in the type window, I type rope. And here I have all the ropes in the scene. Or I want to find all the lights. And here I find all the lights. Let's change one of the lights to a cone light. Now I can find all the lights where the type is cone. Or where the type is sphere. Or I can find everything that's been named wall. Or I can find all the Vox boxes, which uses the brush brick. But hang on, that didn't work. If we look at one of the Vox boxes that actually uses the brick brush, like this one, we can see that the value for the brush parameter is mod/brush/brick.vox. So I can enter the asterisk sign as a wildcard, like this. And now I find all the shapes using the brick brush. I can search only in the selected. I can choose if I want to search for objects that are currently hidden. And I can search in instances as well. We haven't talked about the instances yet, but we will do that in the next tutorial video. Another very useful function is the apply properties function. So let's start by hiding this roof. And I click one of these beams. And let's say I want to change the color of it. To that beautiful color. So I copy the color values. And then I select all the beams. Right click. Select apply properties. I write color up in the property name field. And then for value, I enter the new color values and I choose apply. Now all of those beams has got a new color. And that can be very useful when you want to change many of a kind in one go. Next video we will be looking into some advanced level building with instances, locations, triggers, screens and scripts. See you then. Bye.